Today we are going to make super smooth and silky Malai chicken tikka handi. It turns out creamy and smooth textured. The smoky flavor makes it absolutely delicious. So let's get started. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like and share the video. First we will marinate the chicken. Here I have taken a half kg of chicken cut into small pieces. Make sure the pieces aren't too large so they can become soft quickly. I have washed the chicken 3 to 4 times with water and drained all the excess water. Now in this chicken we will add 200 grams of yogurt. After adding yogurt, we will add 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. Adding yogurt and cream, the chicken remains juicy and smooth. Next we will add the dry spices to the chicken. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of white spicy masala powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon chicken masala powder, 1 tablespoon red chili flakes and salt to taste. After adding all the spices, add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well with the chicken. If you want it spicier, you can add green chili paste as well. Once mixed thoroughly, we will leave the chicken to marinate for at least 1 hour. While the chicken marinates, let's prepare the gravy. Take a pan and heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 7 to 8 whole black peppers, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 2 green cardamoms and 3 dried red chilies. Fry the spices for a few seconds. As soon as the spices change color, add 2 medium-sized sliced onions. Saute the onions on medium-high flame until they become translucent. When the onions are soft, add 10 to 12 cashews. Fry the cashews with the onions for 2 more minutes. After about 3 to 4 minutes of frying, the onions will turn light golden. Let this mixture cool down a bit, then grind it into a fine paste using a mixture grinder and set it aside. In the same pan, heat another 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry this for a few seconds. Now add the onion cashew paste that we just made. Mix the paste well with the ginger and garlic. Then add the dry spices. 1 tablespoon white spicy masala powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon chicken masala powder, half tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon crushed coriander powder and salt to taste. Cook the spice mixture on low heat, stirring continuously for 3 to 4 minutes until the oil starts separating from the masala. Now here our gravy is ready. Set it aside. By now the chicken has marinated for about an hour, so it's time to fry the chicken. Add the marinated chicken pieces one by one to the pan. Cover the pan and let the chicken cook on a low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. So here after 5 to 7 minutes, chicken is fried from one side. Now flip all the chicken pieces one by one to cook the other side. After flipping all the chicken pieces, at this stage add remaining marinade. Cover again and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Here the chicken is well fried from all the sides. Once both sides are fried and chicken is cooked, make a small space in the center of the pan. Place a small foil wrapped bowl in the center. In that bowl add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now place a heated charcoal into the butter and immediately cover the pan to trap the smoke to give the chicken a smoky flavor. Leave the pan covered for 2 to 3 minutes. After this, the chicken will have absorbed the smoky flavor. Transfer the chicken to the gravy we prepared earlier. Along with the chicken, add a small bowl of a yogurt. In the same bowl of a yogurt, add a half a cup of water and add it to a gravy. Also add 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves. Mix everything well and let it cook on a medium-high heat until it comes to a boil. You can adjust the consistency of gravy by adding more water as per your preference. Once it boils, add finely chopped coriander and 5 to 6 tablespoons of fresh cream. Adding cream is essential for that smooth and silky texture in Malai Chicken Tikka Handi, so don't skip it. For an extra cheesy flavor, I am adding a grated cube of cheese, but this is optional. Cover the pan and let the cheese melt for 2 to 3 minutes. And now your silky, smoky and creamy Malai Chicken Tikka Handi is ready to be served with naan or roti. It's so delicious that you will want to make it again. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment how it turned out. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.